Hey y'all, I'm so glad that you joined us today because Nico and I are making a very special treat for some very special people. Okay?
We're making dessert pizza where you get the pizza crust, then crackers, put it on the pizza crust, and then you get the marshmallow. Actually, then you get the chocolate, then put the marshmallows.
Right. So now you can make your homemade crust if you like to make a homemade crust. We don't. So we just decided to buy one. And so what we're doing now is we're just taking some graham crackers and just kind of really breaking them up so that whenever, this is called a s'more pizza. And we had it at one of our favorite pizza restaurants. And so we thought, wouldn't this be a fun video to do? So we're going to, you want to help me do this? So we're going to break up the graham crackers first.
I'll put the marshmallows on.
Okay. Well, we've got to do the chocolate next. So I think that the important thing here is for every bite to hold some graham crackers and some marshmallows and some chocolate. So that's what we're doing. Okay. So this, you don't have to like cover the whole thing because you have pizza crust, but you do need to make enough so that the graham crackers are visible. So next comes the chocolate. So we just used Hershey's chocolate, good old Hershey's chocolate, and we're going to break it into the sections that they actually make it in, and it makes it a little bit easier, I think. And we'll put them around, just like whenever, you want to help? Just like whenever we're making pecan pie, we put the pecans around. We're going to just put these around like that. Thank you, baby. And they are thick. So, so I think this amount is good. The distance between them is about 1 inch. And I think that's probably, look, and put some in here. Can you do that? Put some in here. Okay. Is really good. So anyway, I think maybe one more here, huh, babe? Oh, good. That's perfect, I think. And so then what we're going to do is we're going to put our marshmallows. So here we go. Now we've discussed. Okay. So we'll also just put those around and put them standing up, baby. I think.
Okay.
Because what we're going to do is we're going to bake it. And I've got the oven at 425. We're going to bake it for about 10 minutes to make sure that it gets really warm.
And I got this, Ding Ding.
Okay, baby. And then we're going to turn on the broiler and make the marshmallows burn on top, or not burn, but get really brown on top. And so that then you'll feel like you are tasting a s'more whenever you cut it in pieces and serve it. So here it is, almost ready to put in the oven. We have our oven hot. So we'll put it in and then we'll show you the results whenever we get it out of the oven. Thank you, baby. Okay, y'all, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And how fun is it? Such a fun little dessert. Your kids will love it. We actually baked them at 425 for 10 minutes, and this is how it turned out. So we didn't have to turn on the broiler. Although, if you want the chocolate to be super melty, you probably do need to broil it just a little bit. But we're not going to. It's beautiful, hot, and it's going to be such a treat. So I hope you all enjoy this. Bon appetit. S'more pizza.